Welcome to the InStock Kiosk overview. We'll start with a run-through of our original linen kiosk, which will give you a good idea of the customer journey and the benefits of the core features. Categories are displayed on the home screen and can be scrolled up and down. A product can appear in more than one category. The spinner can display 6 different messages. The left-hand panel can be simplified to show the additional branding or advertising, rather than the quick navigation pad shown in this instance. If the screen is untouched after a predetermined period of time, the screensaver activates, prompting the customer to shop here. What is happening around the kiosk in terms of merchandising should also indicate to the consumer that this is a touch screen. Once you touch a category icon, you go to the subcategory page. Touch a subcategory icon and you go through to a product selection page. Touch a product icon and that product page opens. A unique hybrid data management system enables a fast and seamless interface with high-resolution images and video files. All the way through the kiosk journey, there's a help icon that, when touched, shows the features available on that particular page. Great for a self-service customer or for a new sales team member getting up to speed on the kiosk features. On the product page, we can zoom in on the large image, flick through other product shots, and if needed, product feature notes and videos. Some retailers are selling sets through the main image, with the customer adding or removing items using the accessories function that we'll show shortly. Areas around the product page can be linked to SKU level, so that shopper marketing can be focused down to individual product or complete product categories. A unique ability to bundle purchases has proven popular, particularly with the linen retailers. The number of associated products really allows for add-on purchases. The customer is able to select any number of accessories and then add them to their basket. It's now telling me that some of the products I selected are not available. I can proceed by adding the balance to the cart. As I've reached a predetermined threshold, I'm eligible for a discount and am prompted to call a salesperson who can go to his employee login, where he signs in with a password or code and then can apply a dollar or percentage discount to the purchase in progress. Let's add a few more items. Now we can review the shopping cart. For example, I'm going to remove one item. We can review and adjust the accessories associated with a product, in this case, adding an additional pillow. I add those changes, adjust the basket, and proceed to checkout. As I'm a regular customer and have previously entered my unique customer number, phone number, or email address, the contact and delivery fields are already filled out. The next step is the shipping options. There may be a number of choices available. In this instance, there's only one. I can add delivery instructions in case of any unique requirements to execute the delivery. All the way through from the basket screen, I'm able to see on the right side a summary of my purchases. I then proceed to the payment page, where in this instance, I have the choice of paying with a credit card on the PIN pad attached to the kiosk, or send the transaction to the store counter. I then tick the terms and conditions and proceed to the next step. If I had selected Pay at Counter, the message would read Proceed to Counter. In this instance, it's giving me instructions on how to transact with the card. I then press the Process Payment button and the transaction is completed. As mentioned previously, what goes on around the screen is in many cases as important as what is on the screen. As can be seen here, touch and feel and true color samples are available for the consumer to browse and select on the screen, combining the major benefits of the web store and physical store. The consumer can see that this is the best place to be in order to make an informed decision. Further benefits that will be available in the next version include a number of options available once the customer has completed their selection. Once they get to the View Cart page, they then have the option of paying at the kiosk, at the shop counter, by phone, or they can save the purchase to their own personal smart basket. The Smart Basket is the customer's own cloud-based file, where they can have any number of retailers' baskets available for review. A store's kiosk catalogue can be duplicated on a website, so the customer can create the basket at home or on their mobile device, and then go to review their selection on the shop floor. When you consider the amount of research consumers are doing before they go to a retail outlet, we feel this is a very important feature. Here, they can see a list of the active baskets they've created and may go in and view a message from a retailer and review their selection. If the retailer wishes to make the information available, competitors' pricing can be compared. Naturally, the customer can complete the purchase from their smart basket. Once the customer has created a smart basket, the retailer can review their selection on the InStock InTouch pad. Here, the retailer can see a list of active baskets, the product being considered, the gross margin available on each product, and the gross margin available for the total selection. The retailer can also see if the stock being considered is committed stock owned by the retailer, or stock that is available in their suppliers' warehouses, which could perhaps be used to leverage the sale of committed stock. There's the availability to send messages to the customer, which can be done manually for each individual basket, or can be an automatic offer triggered by predetermined business rules. The salesman can also see what his competitors are selling the selected products for. Another feature being released with version 2 is our InStock Screen Merchandiser. This allows for a screen to be customized for each individual location. This example is for the liquor industry, where, for example, a chain of stores may have one location in an area where beer and spirit sales are prominent, while in another location, most sales may be in red wine. You can adjust the relevance of the screen offer based on the local market requirements. The screen space can be allocated based on targeted sales per category, or to reflect stock levels. It's completely flexible and totally unique. The shopper marketing opportunities made available by the Screen Merchandiser functionality enable suppliers to purchase the rights to more prominent locations and branding of categories throughout the customer journey. In some cases, the liquor industry in Australia has proven to generate enough income to cover the cost of the kiosk and the website for each location. A great combination of functionality and marketing revenue. InStock is totally unique. The ability to merchandise an individual screen and the hybrid data treatment that enables kiosk speed, engage and capture traditional in-store traffic. This combined with the single catalogue management structure of the kiosk or website and the Smart Basket's ability to engage and service both the digital and physical customer provides a platform for a truly connected retailer.